Today we're going to review the answers to quiz 3. I have quiz 3 up on the board here, and we're going to start with looking at this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbons. There are no double bonds. This is an alkane, so the name of this will be heptane, hep being the prefix for a 7-carbon molecule. The second one here, 1, 2, 3, so that's pro, and there's a triple bond here, so you have pro, and then this is a alkyne, A-L-K-Y-N-E, this is an alkane, and so the answer here is propine, or propene, however you want to say that. The third one here, if you look in the book, this is called toluene. I also accepted methyl, which is what this group right here is, benzene. You did not have to put a, wait, there's no E in there. You did not have to put a number on here because this thing could be wheeling around in a circle. So methylbenzene just means one methyl group like that. Draw the following. The first one's propane. Propane is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 carbons. You could draw it that way. You could draw it this way. You could, and put all the carbons in here like this. Or you could draw it like this, etc., etc., until you get 5 carbons. Any one of those 3 I would accept. 2-methylhexene, ene. Be very careful with that. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, whoops, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbons. At the 2 position, you have a methyl group. A methyl group is like that, and it's ene. So it's right like that. If you put it over here, I did not count it wrong. However, normally if there's no number in here, then it's between the first and second carbon, this being the second carbon, this being the first carbon. But if you put it in there, I did not count off this time. The last one is cyclobutane. Butane tells you there's 4 carbons. Cyclo just tells you it's in a circle, like this. So cyclobutane looks like this. Each of these will have 2 hydrogens. If you put those in or if you didn't, I didn't care. If you just wrote a box, I gave you that. This one, it says complete the following equations. This one is in your book on page like 1148, something like that. You have the alkane, ethane, plus chlorine, and what it shows you in the book is that one of these chlorines replaces one of these, so you end up with chloroethane, which looks like this, plus HCl. The second equation shows ethene combined with chlorine, and in the right conditions, essentially the chlorines, just this double bond just breaks and you end up with dichloroethane. And that's the correct answer for this one.